Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will be seeing unboxing of Treswell Executive High Back Chair with the installation. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe. Let's go. So as you can see, I have already opened the box, and the first item is armrest. So these will be two in quantity. Another one is manual. The manual will describe how to install the chair. Then rest we have back cushion and then seat cushion, along with all the gas lift and star base casters and all the items that will be there in the box. So each one we will be unboxed now. So as you can see here, we have the seat cushion. As this is so soft and very comfy to sit, currently I am using it. So now you can see here we have this star base, and we have to put casters in the star base. We have 5 casters and one gas lift, so we have to install those. These are easy but need some physical strength. So this is how it will look. These are the items which was there in the box, as you can see. So we will shortly go for the installation, and this is a two people effort. And if you have still not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe for such videos. So here you can see I have started installing, and then I have to put so you have to push downward and then it is fit. So you can see this is how I have fit all my 5 casters in the star base. Then we'll be keeping gas lift. So as you can see the hole here, and this is the hole for the gas lift. You have to put gas lift like this. Then here comes your seat cushion, and then on the seat cushion you have to put seat plate. So there are 4 screw points that you have to screw tightly. Then you can easily put it your seat cushion in the star base. You can. Now here comes my armrest. I have to install the armrest and put all the screw bolts. So as you can see, this one was little tricky because there was a huge gap. So what we have done is we have little push from from the inner side. Then we started actually screwing it up. So this is how we have installed the full chair, and these are the basically plastic caps which you will get in the same box. You have to put to cover the holes of the chair so that it can look elegant from the outside. So this chair, I would say, because I'm using it currently, this video is little late, so this is very comfy and very good to buy. It's a one-time purchase, but it's actually worth for money. Hope you have liked the video. If you do like it, please do subscribe to channel.